Hey everyone, this is just a close-up view of these light up headbands. They come 40 in a pack. You get 20 in one color story and then 20 in another color story. They are super cute and they have flowers on them, which are super soft, and then they have this netting that has like an iridescent sparkly quality to them, and then little buds that are different colors all over them. So absolutely adorable. They light up with 3 different options at the touch of a button right here. The lights last for 3 to 5 hours. So you have the fast, the blinking, and then steady. These are great. Again, they last for 3 to 5 hours. You get 40 in a box. These are comfortable for adults and kids. Great for an outside party. Great for a dance. I really, really love them. They're super fun. I love them and recommend, and I think you'll love them too.